So first we measure the internal diameter and adjusted by the micrometer, that having a 73.84 mm standard bore of the this cylinder block. Okay. So first adjust the 73.84 mm on the micrometer. Okay. After that assemble the bore gauge. Start करें. When we inserting the dial gauge in the adjustment assembly, then we need to giving us some preload. For preload showing on the small needle when you inserting the gauge inside the holder. See here is a 1 mm preload. After that inserting the dial gauge in the bore gauge attachment, we need to adjust the size as with the requirement of cylinder bore as per appropriate adjustable spin anvils and washers. First remove the sub assembly lock screw from the bottom end of the bore gauge. After that, using a appropriate size of fixed anvil and some washers as per requirement. Now we adjust the bore gauge position with the use. Now we are using a fixed anvil of 70 mm and after that inserting the adjustable washer of 3 mm and 1 mm and fix it to the bore gauge attachment assembly in a subframe and fix up the screw. Done.
Action.
Now we are fixing the micrometer on the bench vise for adjusting the zero on the bore gauge.
Action.
Now we fixing the micrometer on the bench vise for measuring the zero level on the bore gauge. First we adjust the 74 mm diameter as per bore on the micrometer. After that fixing the bore gauge inside the micrometer and then adjust the zero on the dial gauge. Hold up कर दे इसको दोबारा लगा. ठीक है. Okay, now fix the bore gauge inside the micrometer. ठीक है. Now we adjust the zero on the angular gauge. यहाँ पे मुझे now adjust the zero. वो हिल रहा है नीचे, हिल रहा है वो, हिल रहा है. इसका एक तरीका है, मैं अपने हाथ में ले लेता हूँ यहीं से, फिर इसको होल्ड कर लूँगा. ठीक है. ओके स्टार्ट. हाँ, नाउ एडजस्ट द जीरो ऑन द बोर गेज. Okay, done.
Action.
Before measurement, we need to clean the cylinder bore internal diameter area through a cloth. Deeply clean. There is no any dust available while measuring the cylinder bore diameter. Okay. कर दी. Now we inserting the bore gauge in the top side.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, now inserting the bore gauge inside the cylinder. After that, there is a thrust side 3 readings. One is a top side is a A. After that, a 50 mm inside the bore gauge inside, about 50 mm. Then the B. After that, 100 mm inside. Then the C. 3 appropriate reading in the taper side. Also having a same phenomena in a ovality side. After that, 50 mm inside, then 100 mm inside. Taking at both side taper and ovality in 3 reading. Done.